What?
How was it?
It's so good.
Is it ticklish?
Yeah. Okay, come on. Daddy, I'm gonna take my...
Actually, ito, darling, pwede itong i-hook, di ba? Pwede itong i-hook.
Mommy.
Wait.
Spicy's on my hand.
You don't put the...
Mommy, spicy's
Oh,
on my
you
hand.
you
Come on,
put
Spicy.
here. Oh, you put your foot here.
Whoa.
You use that,
Easy,
ano.
easy, girl, easy.
Yeah, they will, so your hand is not, ano.
Oh my.
Mm.
Mommy.
Yeah, you put that inside, they will eat there. Enough na yan, don't waste so much food.
Mama, spicy's on my hand.
Johan, careful.
Okay, Johan's turn.
Okay, come on. Go.
How was it, Dad? Is it ticklish?
Yeah, so.
Okay, Johan's turn. Ready, Johan?
Put in your palm na, you just use that. You see, they're looking for you. Dali, Johan, they're
Come on,
very
come on.
hungry. No, you put the thing inside. You don't hold it.
They're gonna fly
You
out.
just put this, oh.
No. Mommy,
I want
to put them to
Oh, you want to put in your palm?
No. I want to get all the...
What? You just sit down.
Palm
Sit.
feeding, palm feeding.
They're very hungry na. Bilisan
Okay,
mo.
put in your palm, Johan.
Wait ka, you move.
Come on, can I have some food?
Ate, mamaya na when it's your turn, okay? Oo.
Mommy, they cannot eat the sesame.
They like the big one. They will remove the skin.
Okay, go.
Johan, don't open it. They'll
Spicy, come on. Eat.
Drop the gate, ate.
Sweetie, spicy.
Because they're still babies, so we need to direct them to the food.
Yeah, good job. Good job, sweetie.
Wow, Johan, how does it feel? Is it ticklish?
Yeah. Oh, no.
See?
Saan yung sando mo, darling?
Okay, come on. My turn.
Wow!
Okay, come on. Come on, sweetie and spicy. Come on, eat.
Hawakan ka mo yung cage, baka bumaliktad.
Come on. Come on, let's
I'm holding the cage.
Daddy, Johan, I need to sit. You're eating. Hey!
It's mine too. You did it so long last time.
Give it to Johan, ate.
Okay, come on, spicy. Come on my hand.
Because they're still babies, so we need to feed them on our hands. Tomorrow we're gonna do it again, okay?
Whoa.
This is your first time feeding, the bird with your hands.
Second.
Is this second time? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, okay. Johan, open your hands. There we go. Is it cool?
Yeah. This is for sweetie, and the other one's for spicy. Come on. Spicy. Come on, spicy. Good girl.
Alright.
Good girl. Yeah, who's a good girl? Yum.
Okay, now Johan's turn. Open wide your hands, Johan. I'm feeding Johan. Johan, don't take the Sweetie is eating.
Stop.
First time experiencing this.
And look at Spicy.
Feeding the bird.
Look at Spicy.
Palm of my hands.
Look at Spicy.
And look at Spicy, oh. Spicy is
Eating by his own.
learning now. Eating on his own. That's very good.
That's my bowl.
Good job, Spicy.
That's
You
my
can do
bowl.
it, sweetie. Sweetie.
Ate. Don't have to. Eventually they will find that. Awesome.
Sweetie, Spicy tried his best. Like he tried and
Yeah.
until he like climbed up and then went down.
Yep.
He's a really clever bird. I wish Spicy could do the same.
Yeah, eventually,
I mean, Sweetie, sorry.
eventually Sweetie can find that food container.